Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If your Rheem electric water heater is not working properly, like not heating water, giving inconsistent temperatures, or shutting off unexpectedly, it can be really frustrating, especially when you need hot water urgently. Many people assume it's a major fault, but in most cases, the issue is something simple like a tripped breaker, faulty thermostat, or reset switch. These heaters are designed with safety features that shut them down when something isn't right, which can make it seem more serious than it actually is. The good part is that, with a few basic checks, you can fix most common issues and get your water heater running again. Try these. Step 1. Check the power supply and circuit breaker. Step 2. Press the reset button. Step 3. Inspect and adjust the thermostat settings. Step 4. Check for loose wiring or visible damage. Step 5. Look for sediment buildup or heating element issues. Step 6. Turn power back on and test hot water output.